Okay, well, Bob, you asked me for another video using the antenna diversity, using the receive diversity. This is the red Pitaya. This is the main antenna with a relay to switch over between the transmitter on this side and the receiver, and this is my second receiving antenna. This is on the inverted L, and this is using a Faraday loop tuned with a little homemade transformer and some varicaps, which is at the bottom of the garden. So it's about 20 foot in diameter. So at the moment this is 80 meters. It's about 5:30 on a Friday evening. It's a nice lively band. You can see at the top of the outer band up at the top here we've got some very strong data carriers. They're typically military from my location. We've got probably Lewis calling DX here, nice and splattery, and then this is these are all SSB contacts that you can hear in the background. So if I come up here and go to antenna diversity, this is currently what I've got. It's disabled at the moment, and when I enable it, it will use the loop as the noise antenna and the inverted L as the main antenna, and I can adjust the phase and the gain here. This gives me the phase change, and this gives me the gain change here. And if you want to, you can lock either the phase or the gain. The idea being that you try and either null out or a noise, or you peak the signal. So I shall enable it now, and you'll notice when I enable it, if I disable it again and you watch the spectrum display, freezes every now and again. That's just because my network becomes saturated with the traffic from this. So you'll see with it enabled, certainly up this end of the band, you'll notice the noise floor actually goes down. Disabled, it comes up and it's less distinct. Down it, and it drops down because I was listening to some signals up here. Okay, so if I then make some adjustments here, and again, if you watch, I've put a marker on here to show you roughly where the noise floor is. If you watch, I'll turn it on and off again. It comes up to the marker, it drops down probably almost as much as 10 dB below it, and then I can adjust the phase. You see how much more it drops off. Okay, and I can adjust the gain. And at this point, sort of somewhere around about here, I completely lose the data carriers, the heterodynes that are coming in from the VDSL. Okay, and if I just turn that off and go back to just receiver 1, which is my main receiver, you'll see overall higher noise floor. Okay, that's with it in. You see the lower noise floor, and that's with it out. Really need to have a bit of a play with this. I should be able to set it up so you can RDP into it if you want to have a go. Anyway, there's a little quick demo.